Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to add auto highlighter in your Excel worksheet. Like example, which amount or which figure is highest, it will give you automatic the highlighter, which is lowest, it will give you automatic highlighter. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, here is the Excel worksheet and I would like to add here a auto highlighter. So first of all, I am going to choose all these numbers, and here go on home tab, and the right side you will find conditional formatting. Simply click there and then click on new rule. A new screen will appear. Here go on format only top or bottom rank below, and then choose this top, and here give a number 1, and then click on format and choose the color, and then click on OK, and then click again OK, and whatever number is highest, it will automatically give that highlighter. Example, I type here 7000, hit enter, it will automatically add this red color. So if I want to add the lowest number also, I can do so. Same way, just choose all this transaction and then go on home tab, and the right side click on conditional format, and then click on new role, and then click on from only top or bottom rank below, and choose here the bottom and give number 1, and then click here format and choose the color, and click on OK, and click again OK, and it will automatically highlight. Example, I type here 8, and it will automatically highlight the lowest number. So this is how you can add in your Excel worksheet document highest or lowest number auto color. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.